today, well, we're going to need those scissors out again, and we're also going to need out some glue. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Woo! Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Woo! Da 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 da. Art Matters with Mr. Morris. Yeah. Now, some of you probably have some basic Elmer's glue at home. Some of you might have glue sticks. I'm going to be giving a little bit of a demo of both of them. So, without further ado, let's switch over to the demo table.
All right, today you're going to need a couple things so we can do our lesson. First, you're going to need a surface that can either be thrown away or a surface that can be wiped off with a wet rag. You're going to need paper. Now, you don't have to have construction paper if you don't have construction paper at home. You can use printer paper. You can use newspaper. We'll work with it. You're going to need a pair of scissors. And you're going to need our special ingredient today, which will be either glue or glue stick. If you have both, I would prefer you use the glue. If you have no glue, hopefully you have a glue stick. If not, we'll find something out. Go ahead and write me in the comments and you'll just practice some cutting today. All right. To start, we are going to take some paper. We're going to cut some strips with our scissors. How many strips should you cut? Well, that's entirely up to you. If you want to keep on cutting, you can keep on cutting. But for me to show you what we're going to do today, we have enough of strips now. I'm going to take a sheet of paper, whatever color I want. I'm going to take my strips and I'm going to remind you of a couple things we've covered in class. One is I'm going to take a pencil. Oh, sorry, I didn't mention you're going to need a pencil for this. And I'm going to roll the paper around that pencil. Roll it along that pencil. Doesn't have to be a pretty roll, just has to roll. Like that. Now I'm going to pull that off. And oh, what happened to that paper? It was a nice straight piece and now it's got a curl to it. Another thing I want you to practice today is fold over, crease, turn over, fold over, crease, turn over, fold over. Every time I fold this over, I got this big pile of paper. That's okay, I want this part to get thicker and thicker as I go. Crease. Turn this on the side so you can see all those layers I've been doing. Turn over. Crease. Turn over. Crease. Turn over, crease, turn over, and crease, turn over, and crease. I'm all done. How cool is that? A little accordion shape. So I want some of my paper strips, if you can, to be curly. I want some of them to be like accordions. And some of them, we're going to keep plain. Here is what you're going to do next. Remember, you can hit pause at any point if I'm going too fast. First, I'm going to show you the glue stick. This is where that surface that we can wipe off with a rag comes in useful. When I'm using a glue stick, I want to take this and I want to attach it to the green. So I'm going to use the glue stick, and I find it's easiest to put your glue. Ooh, there we go. Put your glue onto your paper, and you'll notice I got a bunch of that glue right there on the surface. That's why it's important to make sure that we're always using glue on a surface that can be wiped off. This is water soluble, meaning it washes off in water. So I always put the cap back on and listen. Oh, there's that good snap. If your hands aren't strong enough to make that good snap, put it on the table so the cap is down and push it down. All right, so back to our paper. We're going to push this down, and I'm going to hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My fingers even stuck a little bit on that. And you'll see that it's pretty snug. Now, I shouldn't pull on this, because if I pull on this, that glue's still drying, so it may be a problem. Also, in my case, I've got this little tiny demo area. So you're going to see that I put that right over top of that glue. You may not want to do that, because the back might stick on normal glue. So if you remember, our lid has to be twisted. And if I try twisting this way, oh, it isn't twisting at all. It's not moving. So I want to twist it this way. And oh, look at that. The lid just got a little taller. That tells me that it's open. If I hold it this way, and I squeeze it, you can hear the air coming out of it. That tells me it's also open. When I'm using it though, I want it to kind of be down like this. And I'm going to take this strip of paper and I'm going to do something wacky with it. I'm going to twist it and put it down. You don't have to twist yours. That's up to you. You are the artist. I'm even going to crease it right here. And I'm going to put down, watch carefully. Watch very carefully. I'm going to put down the tiniest little dot, about the size of a grain of rice. I'm going to do 2 of those. You can barely see those 2 little dots, but they're there. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to smush it down, and oh, I know I used the right amount of glue because I don't see any glue squeezing out. A little dot will do. We don't need a lot of glue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da! When I'm pushing, I need to push down really hard though. I need to push down really hard. Now this next piece, maybe I attach it on here. Maybe I attach it over here. Maybe I attach it over here. Maybe I put it on its side. Crease. Maybe I put it like this. I think that's what I'm going to do for mine. So again, 2, maybe 3 little grains of rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh! That one didn't work, and that's okay. Sometimes we don't get a good connection, so I'm going to use just a little bit more. I'm going to try to put that glue in some different spots than the first time. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that time it stuck. Good. All right, well, I've got one more strip. And again, if you have more strips and you want to keep on gluing, oh goodness, keep on doing that. Get in some practice. Take this as a nice break. Okay, this is a big piece. This is a big piece. So I'm going to, on my background, glue on my 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 4 pieces of glue this time. 4 dots. 4 grains of rice. And I'm going to hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last, I'm going to attach this on somewhere. Maybe right here. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. This is starting to look very three-dimensional or raised from the surface. PK, show me what you can do using your scissors, using folding, and using some glue. Oh, I almost forgot about our glue. If you make a mess with the glue, you want to get that cleaned up right away. Again, a damp rag or cloth or paper towel will work. As far as closing the glue, I'm going to show you. If I twist it this way, it's not getting any shorter. So I must be going the wrong way. If I twist it this way, look how quick that happened. Bleep. Instant. And that, my friends, is gluing.
I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you make using your scissors, cutting out paper, and gluing things together. I can't tell you how important it is for you to have the time to be able to cut and glue things. It is an amazing exercise for your tiny little muscles to get stronger and for your eyes and your hands to learn to work together more and more and more, which is so important in not just art, but everything that you do in life. Before I go today, first let me say I am proud of you and I am proud of who you are and what you are doing. Always be willing to try something new. Always say I'll try in place of I can't. Be kind to yourself. Allow yourself to make mistakes and learn from those mistakes. And keep on creating. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.